Hey everyone! If you want to create professional YouTube shorts without using complicated editing software, Kapwing makes the process quick and beginner-friendly. In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube shorts in Kapwing from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Kapwing website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click Create New Project to start a new video. Next, upload the video clips, images, or media files you want to use for your short. You can drag and drop files directly into the editor or select them from your device. Before editing, set the canvas to the vertical format used for YouTube Shorts. This ensures your content displays correctly on mobile devices and fits the Shorts feed. Once your media is uploaded, arrange the clips on the timeline. Trim unnecessary sections, split clips where needed, and organize everything in the order you want viewers to see it. And that's how to create YouTube Shorts in Kapwing in 2026. With its easy-to-use editing tools and AI-powered features, Kapwing makes it simple to produce engaging short-form content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.